The 2-in-1 can be installed flush mounted or proud mounted on the bench top. In general, it can be used in recirculation mode or in extraction. Smart Select is the most intuitive operation control we have in the whole Miele cooktop family. That means setting of power settings is very easy. The biggest benefit when it comes to connectivity is that the customer does not have the need to switch on the extractor manually. So if you start the cooktop, then of course also the fan level for the cooktop extractor will start. When it comes to the extractor of the 2-in-1, the cover can easily be removed and placed in the dishwasher for cleaning. If you would like to learn more about the new 2-in-1, visit your local Miele Experience Center for a free demonstration.